Hi, I'm Jordan from Superior Wellness. In this video, we're going to talk about your initial chemical setup when you get your hot tub. Once you get your spa, the first thing you're going to do is fill your hot tub, and you'll do that through your filter housing. Once your spa is filled and up to around 27 degrees, then you can start to shock your spa. What's this going to do? It's going to shock the old water that's stuck in the pipes from wet testing in the factory. Once you shock your spa, we do recommend you taking your headrest off and leaving the cover off for a few hours. This is when your chlorine levels are at its highest, so we do not want the headrest or the covers to get damaged. Once the shock is done, you will be waiting around 24 hours. If you're using non-chlorine shock, as you've got a bromine package, then you can wait just a couple of hours. Once the 24 hours is done, what you need to do now is you need to test your pH and your TA levels. This can vary depending on where you're geographically located in the country. Some people might have hard water, some people might have soft water. So in terms of your pH and your TA levels, your pH should read anywhere between 7.2 and 7.6, with your TA levels reading anywhere between 80 to 120. When adding pH and TA, you need to dissolve this into hot water before adding it to your hot tub. These will need to be added before putting bromine or chlorine sanitizer into your hot tub. If your pH levels are below the 7.2, then use your pH increaser. Use the back to check how much you need to add to your hot tub, as this will depend on the volume of water you've got in. So this applies again if your levels are above 7.6, you can use the pH reducer to make sure your levels do come down, but please check the back to see how much you need to add to your hot tub. If your TA levels are below 80, then add your TA increaser. However, if your levels are above 120, you can use your pH increaser to bring those levels back down again. Once the chemicals have been added, please retest to make sure the levels are correct. Once your levels are correct, you can then use your spa. After you've used it, we do recommend you just add a tablespoon of chlorine or bromine just to top up your levels. In our starter kit, you get your pH reducer, your pH increaser, your TA increaser, which is your total alkalinity. You also get your Spa Revive, which is your initial shock treatment you'll use when you first get your spa. You'll also have 2 500 grams worth of chlorine granules and your test strips as well. For more information, please download our hot tub care guide. This will give you advice and guidance on the maintenance of your hot tub. So that completes your initial setup. If you do have any questions, please feel free to get in touch.